we're here in Coral Springs and we're going to be meeting up with Derek and the Ross Brothers team.
Interesting little project. We have the inside and the outside that we're doing. We're changing the roof line in order to be able to pull the front door out 6 feet further. And then once we do that, we're going to bring an awning over here and change the whole direction of the look of the house. All right, so in here is where we push the door out.
Okay.
Obviously the original door was here, but when we built the pantry for the new kitchen, we had to move the air conditioning, so we had to build out that wall. Of course, in here is going to be a lot of beautiful quartz.
Right.
Great cabinetry.
Stepping into here, this is a master suite.
Obviously new impact windows, new doors, there's going to be new floors, new baseboards. The bathroom is really the centerpiece of this room. We opened up the whole space. So this whole thing is going to be open now, one big room. This will be a double vanity.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, huge shower, freestanding tub. And then over here, we're going to build a beautiful cabinetry and the toilet. We're extending the deck out another 7 or 8 feet.
That in itself will make a huge difference.
Absolutely, 100%. Give you a lot more room over here. It'll be great. It'll be a whole new exterior. We want this to feel luxurious. They're putting money into their house, but the most important thing is to make that money be a good investment in the house.
With the Ross Brothers, it was really about kind of taking ownership and saying, listen, we're going to do it right. We're going to really help with the whole design element, and really the idea that taking kind of that like the boutique approach. I like the idea that they were going to handle some of the all the different elements of the job, and we could just rely on them and work with them directly.